Groogert.
Hey kids, check what I've got. Choco bananas. I will show you step by step of this veggie recipe so you can do it yourself from home. You will need bananas, baking chocolate flakes, your favorite sprinkles like peanuts, dried coconut, crunchy cereal or whatever you like, and wooden sticks. Step 1. Cut all the bananas in half, but with adult supervision, please. Step 2. Insert the wooden sticks to the bananas. Use 2 if they are too thin. Step 3. Break the chocolate in pieces and put them in a heat-resistant bowl. Step 4. In a saucepan, bring water to a gentle simmer. Put the chocolate bowl on top and let it melt. Step 5. Cover the bananas with the melted chocolate. Careful though, this might get gooey. Step 6. Drizzle the bananas with your favorite toppings. Drizzle, drizzle. Last step. Freeze the bananas for about 4 hours and enjoy! If you liked this type of Groogert do-it-yourself video to have fun with the kids and you want us to keep on making more, hit that like and subscribe buttons. You can also find us on all social media platforms at Groogert. Goodbye for now, Groogie friends!